Good afternoon. Yes, how did we start a while ago?
But Brian, I feel we're being selfish, just you and I. Let's get the two bosses out here and get some contribution from them.
Let's start with, between the two of us, as we mentioned a while ago, about 75 years experience, and you've got about 72.
Well, that's true. And then here we are today with the new owners of GMB, doing a great job. And I'll let Wayne explain it to you on his own words.
Well, Iain, I guess we would need to thank yourself, Gord, and Brian's been around a long time. Phil's been with the company for, 15, 17 years, something like that. Time flies when you're having fun. But when we talk about the success of GMB, it isn't down to Phil and Wayne. It's down to the founders like yourself, like Gordon, and all the hard work you've done over the years that we've managed to build on those foundations. So we're certainly excited to be taking the reins and part of a success story that's been around since 1981. So you talk about a lot of wisdom and knowledge and all that stuff. It's a very proud moment for me. Here.
Well, that's some very kind words. And Gordon, he's not here today, but I'll certainly share that with him. Thank you.
Yeah. Agreed. I mean, we've been through, I think, a lot of changes, to say the least, over the years. When I started, almost 30 years ago, Wayne was part of GMB. He went on to other things and came back home, obviously. Phil, I remember when you started that, this young guy coming in, with Colin, rest in peace, Colin, because he was with us for a long time also. I think we are moving and expanding into, new territory. And not just in the steel mill and cooling bed area, which we were known for. We do everything now from, one end of the mill to the other, including now robotics. Partnered with another company that, we work closely with. I think it's expanding our horizon to make it, more successful.
Let's get Phil's input and where we're going with this, because, a lot of it's way above my head today. And Phil being the chief engineer, when he talks to me, sometimes I just have a blank look. And okay, but Phil, let's hear it from you. Let's hear you.
That's putting you on the spot. Anyway, this is, I understand.
You've certainly built quite the team.
I think we're proud of the team that we have at GMB, from our sales guys to the engineers, installations. Obviously, we're a turnkey company, and that's what's made us successful. And I think that focusing on all those different areas of the process, I think, makes us better. Our sales people are there with our customers, talking to them about what their needs are, the specific needs. Our engineers work closely with them to make sure that we're designing the equipment specifically for their requirements. And then obviously Brian and his crew are installing the equipment and doing that after sales service and maintenance of the equipment. I think that overall our team is really strong.
I agree. I guess it's just to let everyone out there know that don't know us. There shouldn't be that many people in this industry that doesn't know GMB, right?
Absolutely. Absolutely. Brian, hold on. I'd like to get Wayne's input too. Let's face it. You were with the company and you left and toured the world and grew in your knowledge and your experience and the way you deal with people. And where you have taken the company with your experience. And then when Phil and you took over, I think we're more structured than we've ever been.
I think it's just about finding the right people. And I've had the blessing to work in many industries, from automotive to aerospace to steel mill, back into steel mill. And one of the things that we all do well is look for the right people, nurture the right people, support the right people, and bring them into the fold. So I think that's really what it's all about. We've heard it before, but, proof is in the people. And we believe in that.
And for all you people watching, we'll be in the Discovery Channel Monday through Friday, 5 till 7.
Thank you for supporting GMB. Thank you to our customers. We
Come see us.
appreciate it. Thank you
Come
to the
see us.
employees.
Yep. Reach out. Yeah, that's the big thing.
Thank you.
All our employees, my installation team, our office employees, we wouldn't be anywhere near where we're at if it wasn't for that.
Yeah.
Agreed?
Agreed.
Thank you.